Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix Instagram story archive not showing. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one today is go ahead and open the Instagram app on your phone. This could be on Android, could be on iPhone. Once you open the Instagram app, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Now you'll be taken to your Instagram profile page. On the profile page, click on menu at the top right. Then this will take you to the settings and activity page on your Instagram. You want to scroll down and then click on your activity. Now you'll be taken to your activity page. Scroll down, locate and click on archived. Then once you click on archive, you should see all your posts archived. If you click on this drop menu, you should say story archived. Then if you click on the drop menu again, you should see your live archived and the rest. Then you can check through all your archive to see if you have any archive highlight. And you can also click on the three dots at the top right, click on settings. Then under story, make sure you turn on save story to archive. So once turn this on, then you'll be able to see your story in your archive just like this. So that is basically how to fix Instagram story archive not showing. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.